Hello and welcome on this new silver analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Stella speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Leaving a comment is very important, my friends, to our channel, so it's like a feedback to the new followers and viewers so they can know the quality of the signals before they proceed to watch this video. I mean, if I'm watching a channel for the first time, the first thing I will do is check the comments directly. If I see the guy don't have any comments at all, or the comments are negative, I will just avoid him. So please don't let the viewers to avoid us, and please comment if you can. So if you can, please to do so. Another thing, my friends, always remember that I am doing actually the best I can to provide you with the signals every week. Not only the gold and the silver, but also the USD signals. So if they fail, if anytime they fail, please don't judge me and don't assume that this guy doesn't know what he's doing. I totally know what I'm doing, of course. I have more than 7 or 8 years experience in analyzing the market. So sometimes we just don't get the right direction, and that is totally normal. I have actually noticed that the views of the gold has actually dropped majorly since I sent 2 wrong signals. I mean, come on, my friends, this is really normal. We cannot predict the market every single day. Another thing, why did I stop sending signals for the silver? For the simple reason is that the view is actually very low. It's barely 700 views over the last 2 weeks. And that was really disappointing, and I felt like no one really interested in the silver. But again, I think we need to do it. I'm sure even if one person is interested about it, I should do it for him, and that's my purpose here. So last week, I actually have sent a signal to sell the silver from 28.562, and as you can see, this was a good signal. It was ranging in the safe zone, but finally has went in the right direction and reversed, actually even kissed the take profit level at 26.271. So this was a correct prediction and a good signal, which almost hit take profit level, a score to Xtreme Trader. Now, what's next with the silver? That's the big question. Now, here is, of course, the silver, and as you can see, based on the weekly chart, I would like to do something here which called squeezing the chart like that. I don't know what is the right way to call it. I mean, lower the price scale, maybe. I think the right term is yes, lowering the price scale, but I like to call it squeezing. Just it sounds cool. Anyway, what we can see right here is a very simple and obvious support trend line, and again, I'm right now actually on the weekly chart. So right now we can see a very clear level of a support trend line right here. Now, first of all, I would like to say something. Some of you know something, I want to skip this one and just go to the important part. So some of you will tell me that right here on the weekly chart we have, of course, a double top pattern, which indicates a continuation in the fall. Is that right? Absolutely right. But there are things that actually not visible to the naked eyes. Let me just tell you. For example, right now we are actually at the retest of the broken level of a resistance right here, exactly at the bracket of 27.046. So as you can see right here, of course, we had a broken level of a real resistance, which has already become right here 2 attempts of support number 1, support number 2. Interesting. Not only that, but if we check here the support trend line, which I have just drawn here earlier, what I can do next right now by simply drag or actually move the same line right here and check this out. Perfect. So right now, what we can see right here is a simple support trend line with multiple attempts that barely became a resistance trend line with a fake breakout and instantly became a resistance trend line, instantly broken out from. And as you can see, the support trend line is still being respected. So right here, after the bullish breakout happened, we have here, of course, after the bullish breakout happened, we have right here a support trend line number 1 and support trend line number 2. So meaning it's a strong bullish movement, and it's actually an upper trend, which means the silver, in my opinion, is actually going to continue the rise toward the resistance right here exactly at 29.782. If the silver is going to be able to reach that level, then we will have a perfect head and shoulders pattern, indicates that we can start shorting the silver at that time. But until then, I don't expect actually from the silver to continue the fall upon the pressure from the current trend line and the support trend line that we have right here. So as a result, I believe that we can actually consider buying the silver in the next week. So moving right now to the daily chart. So right now, based on the daily chart and after confirming the direction based on the weekly chart, I would like still to squeeze the chart just like this. And now I will apply the same method, the same method that we have just applied earlier. And I will just apply here the support trend line, as you can see, like that. That's interesting. So right now we can see clearly that we have right here, of course, a strong level of a key support trend line that is still being respected. And even when the market has made here what seems like a bearish breakout from that level, instantly it broke out from it. Why? Of course it broke out from it because we are having here a very strong key level of a support, as we can see. So that level of a key support, plus of course the support trend line that we have drawn earlier, all of that actually helped the market to reverse right here and reverse for around, let me just show it to you, for around 120 pips against the support. And in result, as we can see, it actually broke out from this level of a support and this level of a previous resistance, even right here as a resistance as well. So that means that by looking at the chart right now, we can expect from this level of a key support trend line, after the appearance of that fake breakout candle, that this level of a support trend line will still gonna be respected. So we will have to wait for the silver to fall all the way right here, and then it will make a bullish reversal toward the resistance right here exactly at 29.060. So therefore, that actually, if we look at the left side, we can notice clearly that we have right here exactly, the real level of a support. I mean, from horizontal side, we have here, of course, the real level of a support plus the support trend line. So all of that together says that the silver is going to reverse from there toward the resistance. So therefore, our entry is going to be at 29.933. And of course, our take profit level, as I stated earlier, is going to be exactly right here at the highest level of a real resistance right here at 28.7. Just make sure it's accurate. 28.757, targeting at least 183 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of the support right here. I'm just trying to make sure it's clear. Exactly, just like that, till the lowest level of a real support at 26.359, ranging for around 56 pips. Actually, we can even make it more than that. I mean, come on, let's give the candles a space to breathe. Maybe it needs actually to expand a little more. Therefore, the safe zone is going to be ranging for 81 pips against 183 pips of profit. Let me now please write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the silver. I really hope this one was going to work well and bring us a lot of profits. And in the end, of course, do not please forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. Of course, I will update you right here. And again, please remember, my friends, that this signal might fail like any other signal in the world. In the end, we are not perfect people. We do mistakes. And if this signal has failed, then it just has failed and we did the best we can. In the end, Xtreme Trader is not a funds management service. We are just sending signals and we are really hoping for the best and hoping for the market to respect our analysis. And again, if I notice that the market is actually not respecting our signal, I will send you here a notification telling you to close this signal right now in a small loss or a small profit, according, of course, to the current situation of the market, such as here, of course, this update, which I have sent regarding the gold signal, which actually saved the members from losing 160 pips, and we closed it only in 25 pips of loss. Of course, this was one of the bad signals. Anyway, my friends, in the end, I really hope that was informative to you. And by the way, you can find the link to join this free group of Telegram in the description below of this video. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.